Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Off Leash Canine Training Toledo. Today we have Hutch. He's about 6 months old. He's a Bernedoodle. Bless you. Hutch comes to us for training because overall he has a lot of those puppy behaviors that we like to work on and manage as he continues to grow up. Working on his leash manners, less mouthy play, working on his jumping behaviors as well. Chasing his tail, very good. At home, he has started to counter surf as he's gotten bigger, and we'd really like to solidify his door manners as well. He's always got to be the first one out the door. And of course, working on his regular leash manners as well. So we'll see what Hutch knows. Come, sit, good, down, down, Hutch, place. Oh my goodness, yes, break, good, yes, good boy. So as you can see, he'll go into that sit for me, not the down, but he is confident up on that place object. So we'll be working on all of that, and we'll see you in 2 weeks when he's all trained up.